guys, so I'm gonna be showing you the brand new clothes that I got. So I am in a dark closet. I probably need to turn the light on. There's not that good of lighting in here, but you know. So I'm just gonna set you guys right here and grab what I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna leave the best for last. Alright, so first up, this is plain white t-shirt. Probably need to take these stickers off. Just not gonna show them. It's plain white t-shirt. Show you guys the other side. That's what it looks like on this front side too. And then we've got these adorbs. Cute. They're super cute. I've got some jeans like this too. Yeah, these are really, really cute. And then I've got plain yellow t-shirt. And green one. Purple one. Got some yellow shorts. Here. We got this cute little t-shirt. It says vacay all day. So yeah. And then I've got this t-shirt, which is adorable too. And it just has some rainbows and a little bow that'll go on your shoulder. You know, cute. And then the last thing, I love this. It's a little jumpsuit. If you're not familiar with a jumpsuit, they just look like this. Sometimes they're longer, but you know, this jumpsuit, it's not just, it's a jumpsuit. Looks like a hippie. And these are only new things. I'm also going to show you the new shoes that I got. Got these. Adorable. Got lots of other things. So, this was very short. So, I'm just going to show you guys how bad it is outside. Look, literally. Look, it's like raining. 1 second. It's like raining, pouring. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but ouch. Let me just, oh gosh, okay. Well, let's see here. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pouring. You can see it better. We're live. And then, I'm about to go show you my cute, adorable kittens. So, what I'm gonna do is literally come over this thing. I'm gonna put you guys beside me where you can see where, like, you'll be like this. And, yeah. So, let's begin our journey to the garage.
So if you figure too,
Kittens, not kidding.
that like we should have a child, we should have a check.
She doesn't really like when I film her. Maddie, dude, or her kittens, but they are adorbs cute. Let me just get one. Just pick one up. Got it. It's alright, guys. It's adorable, and they're getting bigger. They're 2 weeks old, a week old. I don't really know. I think they're like a week old, and they're getting bigger. They used to be like that small, and they went to Mama. They want Mama. Go, come here. Go, Mama. You gotta go to your babies. She didn't have a tail. Ready for the mamas. Yeah, not a good time to be filming. And then, my brother got a skateboard. Not sponsored. But it's really cool. Dixie left, when I went in there, they just started meowing.
Yes.
But they were adorable, so